Hello there, my friend, and welcome. In this video, I want to share with you my journey to digital marketing, how I went from being broke, right, working 12-hour shifts at one point when I left my marriage, having negative €5 in my account, leaving my marriage with nothing, to how I'm here in Germany over the weekend, and just because of digital marketing. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and I'm in Germany here for the weekend. That's why I have the bed in the background in the hotel room, flying later to Dublin, Ireland, where I'm based. I'm actually studying for my degree in business and marketing, and I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time, chasing money. Because back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still at the end of those 12 hours, not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was in this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. And like you name it, right? From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, you name it, I've been there, done that. I always felt like there was something missing. There was something they weren't telling me, because I could see these marketers, these leaders making all this money, and yet I was banging my head against the wall. Felt like I was on a treadmill going round and round in circles. No, it was still, I realized, okay, there's something that I don't know, right? So I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way. And that's when things started to change. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. Now, what I'm loving about this program is that even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I'm actually getting weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. Let me share with you the things that I'm learning. I'm learning, like I said, how to attract my perfect customer. I'm learning attraction marketing. I'm learning how to create content marketing, how to create long form videos like this one, short form videos with my phone. I'm in Germany here. I spent yesterday sightseeing, and you believe me, I was creating short form videos that you're going to see. And I'm learning how to build my list, how to build a relationship with my list. I'm learning how to attract, how to identify who my target audience is, how to connect with them, how to create a message that resonates with my target audience. I'm learning how to track my stats, how to track my conversions. I'm learning how to leverage AI like ChatGPT, how to use tools like Canva to create faceless content. So I'm learning all these things and putting them together. And I'm loving the fact that I'm learning and earning at the same time, because by applying these skills, I'm able to earn, so that I'm able to start to travel, right? So because I'm studying full time, I was able to go back to full time education. I finished the classes of my second year just last week. What's today? Sunday. So that's last week, right? Does your week start on Sunday or Monday? I have this with my kids. I'm like, a week starts on Sunday. And they're like, no, mom, it starts on a Monday. I'm like, no. So for me, this is a new week, right? So last week I finished college. I have exams in May though. And I decided to just come over here for the weekend, just kind of like, just reflect. And because my vision, the goal is to live the laptop lifestyle, right? To travel around the world, experiencing different cultures. And as I'm traveling every single day, to share what I have with others, to help moms like you learn how to build a business, a successful, how to market online the right way, right? So that's the goal, that's a vision. I want to work with 150 moms this year to help them launch and grow the business. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, okay, what is this that you're doing? This it's a live interactive coaching and mentorship. I want to just share with you a part of it. I want to share with you a bonus site that we have and show you what that looks like. Okay, because if you decide you want to learn from a proven blueprint, you actually get access to 2 apps on your phone, so you can learn and earn on the go. But you also can access them on the browser. So I want to share with you just one of them, that what you get access to and how exactly what that looks like. So this here is our bonus site where I'm in the classroom here. These are all bonus content. This is not the blueprint, it's actually extra. So you have 90, our multi-millionaire does 90-day runs. For 90 days, she sends us a video where she gives us action steps. Like, so you can see in this video, she's talking about start before you create content. She's saying, start with this question. Ask yourself, what does my perfect person need to hear from me today to feel seen, to take the next step? So this is the intention, the attitude you should go into. And here you can see the focus is not for perfection. The focus is for connection, to connect with your audience, right? And then she goes on to say, plan one piece of each type of content for this week, right? So she's going, go through the week and plan what videos you're going to do to attract your target audience, what video you're going to use to offer value, how you're going to convert. And she goes, make sure you have a call to action, right? So you can tell them to comment, blueprint, ready, or you can ask them to click the link in bio as well. So we have mindset training from 6 and 7-figure mentors, mentoring group replays, we have a content vault. We have all this here, but we also have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So here is where you get access to the mentoring calls. We have one on Monday. We have another one on Thursday. It's more mindset. We have technical calls. You need technical help. And then we have on polls here. So that's all there available for you. And then here, I want to share with you some wins in our community. So help me congratulate Victoria. Victoria came up on my TikTok feed. She's in the car driving to Florida, and she was making a short form video how she hit $500,000 in 20 months, right? She just got a $900 ding that took her to $500,000. And then congratulations to Victoria. She's an army wife of 4 boys, right? So she's busy, busy, busy. Emily, 10 hours ago, made 3 sales, $900 each, right? This is what happens when you lock into the right strategy and stay consistent. Dan, $600 while sleeping. Sleepy sales are the best. Carol, $200. She went live, and from that live, she made $200. She got 61 leads, and she got 150 new followers. And Elizabeth, 6 days ago, I'm just focusing on the financial wins. She made $900, hit her count. But Natalie, 2 days ago, I had the craziest live. So she had 1,000 viewers on the live. She got 3 gifts. She got 57 followers, right? That was a successful live. Congratulations to Natalie, absolutely amazing. So these are the different types of wins we have in our community, right? Some people, we get certification. I'm working through the certification right now. So I'm going to stop sharing here, right? What I want to do is I want to invite you, because this year I'm on a mission. I want to work really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step blueprint, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'm going to deliver it to your inbox. So check the spam, check the promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.